5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No, this is not TikTok. This is B.F.A.M cooking. We are here to make something great for you, a cheesy recipe. You know what it is. Carbonara. That's right, carbonara pasta, which consists of eggs, yes, bacon, even more yes, and pasta. A nice lunch dish or a full meal made simply out of your pantry ingredients. I can't wait for you to have it. B.F.A.M cooking, baby. If you don't mind, please give me a comment at the bottom. Give me a thumbs up, ring that bell, like, subscribe, share. These are all things that you can do to make this channel better. If you wouldn't mind, I'd love to hear your input. Whether it's good or bad, I'd love to hear from you. Okay, to start, this is what we're going to do. We're going to start the pasta water. Get that pasta ripping. It should be a rolling boil. We need to separate your 2 egg yolks from our whole eggs and place it in a bowl. So let's get that going. This is when the stuff happens. That's right, I dropped an egg yolk into the egg whites. I still need that egg yolk, so let's go ahead and scoop that out with a little bit of shell. Well, I'm gonna call it a Rachel Ray trick. Use the egg itself to scoop it out. Okay, and then 2 whole eggs. 1, where's my other one? 2, so that's 4 egg yolks with 2 egg whites. We're whipping it, whipping it, whipping it. Okay, let's get some Parmesan cheese in there. You want to pre-mix this stuff. So yes, this is 2 cups of Parmesan cheese. You're mixing your eggs and your Parmesan cheese together. Make it consistent. This is just so that it comes together. And you know it's thoroughly mixed. You're gonna want to use tongs for this because you want to get the pasta in. We've already got our water boiling. As you can see, it's a rolling boil. And you've already added your salt to this. At least I do. Get that water just thoroughly salted. Let's get that pasta in. In our pan sitting next to the pasta, normally you'd have like your bacon rendered already, and this is just cold bacon, reserve oil, in a non-stick pan. Notice we have tongs with a rubber tip, non-stick pan. You could do it in a stainless steel pan, but you don't need to. Well, you can do it in a stainless steel pan, but this is what we're dealing with today. Already rendered my bacon from another dish yesterday, but you can just render it in the same pan if you're just now cooking your bacon. I use the bacon grease is one main reason: flavor. The bacon renders out with this delicious, smoky, bacony flavor. So that is the reason you want to use it. Delicious, smoky, bacony flavor. Okay, pasta's done. This is when the fun happens. Get a little bit of that pasta water, reserve. So the pasta water's in. The pasta's in the frying pan. We're gonna add a little bit of water, a couple of teaspoons. Mix this up, thin it out a little bit. This is your egg recipe, or egg mix, I should say. And we're gonna bring this pasta water over to this pan. Again, it's on extremely low. Add a little bit more pasta water in there. Pour this mixture in, get it all in. I'm gonna get to stirring. Move this. We don't want the eggs to cook at all. Add some more water in there. Woo. Turn the flame off and just keep stirring. Keep stirring, it'll thicken up. Do not worry about it thicken up, just keep moving. The flame is off completely. Just keep stirring. Add a little more pasta water in case it decides it doesn't want to move. There you go. Thin it out. Thin it out. Look at that. Look at that. Great. Get this rest of it in there. Keep moving it. Get this moving. Look at that. Do not let it get thick. Well, let it get thick. Just don't let it break on you. There you go. Get that cheese in there. Add a little more cheese when you need it. Ooh, that's nice. Okay, and you are done. Top your pasta with a little more bacon. And of course, reserved cheese. Little cracked pepper. And you are good to go. Look at this. Yummy. Mmm. All right, so bacon, eggs, pasta. I tell you, you eat this stuff. Breakfast, lunch, dinner of champions, the Italian style. When they make it so good. You'll enjoy it as much as I do. B.F.A.M, 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 cooking. Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust. Babe, babe, babe. Another one bites the dust.